Okay, junior paleontologists. I'll meet you at the dig site.
Come on! They're starting without us!
Oh, action pack. So glad you can make it. I'm Paleo Paulette. We have Trina, Watts, Clay, and... where's Ren?
Gracias, Miss Butterfly. Your wings are very, very, very nice, too. Oh, gotta go.
What a beautiful butterfly landing. Well, now that Ren's here, we can all head to the...
Whoa! What's happening? Why is the ground shaking? What is that?
Whoa, look out!
We have to stop that rock. Circle up, hoodies up, and take action! Trina! Mighty Flowers and Plant Powers! Clay! Plasma Power and Invincible! Ren! Changing up with Animal Powers! Roar! What? Supercharged Electric Zaps! Gotcha! Cheetah Catch! Plasma-powered Invinci-Chair! Great Gladiolus, my favorite tree! Action on! Polar Bear! Roar! I got you, Mr. Tree! Don't gotcha! Plasma Putty Push! This is heavier than it looks. It's fight time! What? Spin this as fast as you can. I'm on it! Plantastic! Whoa! The world is spinning! Ooh, way to grow, buds!
Oh, thanks to you, Action Pack, that wasn't a Tyrannosaurus wreck.
Where'd that runaway rock come from? Woohoo! That was so fun! That's not a rock. That's a boy. Mission accomplished. Hoodies down. Trina! Action Pack. Meet Mason. Hi, Action Pack.
Hey.
Hi. Hola. We went to the same nature-powered super summer camp. I thought you lived in off the city. I do, but my aunt lives here in Hope Springs, so I'm visiting. And she said I can come dig for dinosaur bones! Ugh. Mason is a lot of, well, he's just a lot.
Okay, gather around, Dino Diggers. Now, before you can start to dig for dinosaur bones, you need a dun-da-da-da, Junior Paleontologist badge.
Fantastic! Hot! Sparks!
Do we earn it by knowing the most about dinos? Because Watts knows what's up with dinos.
Really? You think you know more about dinos than me? What's the smallest tyrannosaur?
The Dilong. What's the biggest dinosaur?
The Argentinosaurus. Who's the first kid getting into the dinosaur dig? Oh, it's me, because I already earned my Junior Paleontologist badge.
See, you're excellent, Dinah. Why don't you join the other junior paleontologists at the dig site?
Thank you, Miss Paulette. I'm Dinah. Gonna get a bone.
Come on, let's go.
Do I have to?
Real paleontologists have to be super careful when digging up bones. So to practice, you'll need to dig an egg out of the sandbox without cracking it. Then you'll get your Junior Paleontologist badge. Well, get digging.
Oh, yeah! Foxy Soxy gets the Eggy Waggy. Yeah!
Great find, Ren.
Yeah, nice job.
Found one. What? Yeah! I got one!
Come on.
I think I did it. Grow, grow.
There you are. Look, I finally got an egg, Trina.
Now we can go digging.
Whoa, whoa! Watch it, Mason! Oh, no. I'm so sorry, Trina.
All right, kids, bring your eggs over here, and you'll get a junior paleontologist badge. One for Watts.
Hot spark!
One for Clay.
Thank you.
One for Ren.
Super duper!
One for Trina. Think fast.
Thank you.
And one for... Oh, hey, it's okay, Mason. We just need to work a little bit more on your digging. Hang tight while I get some more eggs. I want a badge!
Ooh, precious femur. Whoa! What's that?
I want a badge! It's not fair!
What's wrong with Mason? I know this from camp. Kids called it the Mason meltdown.
What's happening?
Ah! No! I need that!
Oh, dear. Whoa, we're trapped! Whatever. Whoa!
Help!
I want
The cave fell down from all of Mason's stomping. I'll fix this. Mason! Calm down. You're wrecking stuff.
Fair! It's not fair! I want a badge!
I'll stop him. I don't think he means to stomp so hard. Maybe he doesn't know how to calm down. Invincible!
It's not fair!
Oh! Huh?
It's not fair!
Someone help! We're trapped! I hear a call for help. Action pack. Hoodies up. I'll stay with Mason. Hi, Stickety Stock people! We're here to help you get unstickety stock!
Action on electric blast! Oh, didn't even ding the thing.
They all get to dig. I want to dig
Mason!
too.
Mason! Mason, I hear you!
me.
If you can just calm down, we can talk about it! When my little sister gets upset, we sing a song to help her calm down. When you're feeling wound up, it's time to slow down. Take a deep breath and turn your day around. When you're feeling wound up, it's time to slow down. Take a deep breath and turn your day around. When you're feeling wound up, it's time to slow down. Take a deep breath and turn your day around. Come on, Mason. Join in. It's fun. We gotta move this big rock. It's really rooted in. Whoa!
I'm zapped. We need something that can break this rock.
Break rock. I got it. When you're feeling wound up, it's time to slow down. Take a deep breath and turn your day around. Nice work, Mason. I bet you feel better. Sorry to interrupt, but we need Mason's rock-ripping power to help break that boulder. Aw, but I just got him calm. You need me, even though I made a mess? Mason, I know it's hard to be calm when you can't do something you want to do. That feels bad in a big way. She's right. You have big feelings and huge powers. But I know you can control your feelings, which means you can use those huge powers for good. Yeah, I can do that.
We need your boulder power to bash that rock into smaller pieces so we can move them out of the way.
And I know what to do. Spinning on the merry-go-round before made him go extra crashy. Mason, it's time for a team-up. Action pack. Our mission is to spin Mason on the merry-go-round. Whoa! Yeah! Launch him at the boulder so that he can break it with his rock powers and get everyone out. Thank you! Watts, take us for a spin. You got it! Let's rock! Ready, set, wrecking ball! Get spinning, Action Pack! Woohoo! He's slipping! I can't hold on much longer. Don't worry, friend coming in! Roar! Polar bear hug! I can help! Plasma putty grab! Clay, drop the brakes!
be okay. Thank you so much, Action Pack. Ugh, thanks, by the way.
Wait! My dino femur bone! It's too dangerous.
What happened? We have to close the dig site.
When will it be open again, Miss Paulette? 1 hour? 2 hours?
Wow, you really are a dino fan, Dinah.
You could say that.
Mission accomplished.
Whoa! That was so cool! Can we spin together some more? Maybe we can smash the... When you're feeling wound up, it's time to slow down. Take a deep breath, then turn your day around.
Mason, I have something for you.
Your badge? Wow! You really want me to have this?
Yeah, today you really made a breakthrough.
Way to go! Nice job, Mason.